What up YouTube, this is Arod23pr with another tutorial, and today we got Mike Drizzy in the house celebrating his big 5. So we did an Incredibles logo for an incredible kid. Now make sure to go down and hit that like button and leave little Mike a happy birthday comment. If you like to have some fun, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's have some fun every week. Now I'm gonna get back to work and I'm gonna start this tutorial. Let's go. That station looks good, real good. Let's get it. Yo, Mike, wake up. I know you ain't sleeping. Wake up, wake up. First step, I'm gonna drip my climb with a neck strip just for protection and sanitation purposes only. For my cape of choice, of course, the E, Elegance Cape. Yeah, gang, yeah. And rocking the new Arod Elegance gloves here. Perfect for hairstyling, hair cutting, coloring, perming, and all your hair and beauty needs. I personally love them because they protect my hands from getting hair splinters, increase my tool grip, and they make me look cooler. Yes, I said it. Yeah. Before starting a design, I select the area that I want to work with, I comb it down, and I call it my canvas. With a number 2 guard, I'm gonna make sure this whole area is nice and even before I even start trimming in any shape or form. Ta-da! Meet my canvas. Now it's ready for the logo. The logo was requested by Mike and it's his birthday, so here you go, Mike. I'm going to start engraving with the corner of the blade, shaping a whole round circle so I can start from the circle down to the stick of the eye. As I flip my liners, I'm going to be using the same technique. I call it corner of the blade. This technique is very useful and I use it on all my videos because you can use the trimmer as an actual pencil. Using the Elegance blade holder with an exposed razor, I'm going in and giving the details needed for this little circle to pop out more. Other products that I'm using, like the gloves that come in 4 different colors, red, blue, pink, and black, blade holders that come in 5 different colors, you can go right now and click on the link below, www.elegancegel.com, and get them today. Using the corner of the blade, meaning from the middle to the left or the right, you decide how much you're gonna use. I'm shaping the base of the logo, the Incredibles. Again, with the blade, I'm making sure my logo stands out and is nice and clean. So make sure if you're doing any design, any logo, any freestyle, make sure you hit it with the blade so it can last longer and you get more details on your work. And now I'm gonna start creating the oval shape around the eye. So make sure with the corner of the blade you go slowly and precise, creating this oval shape around the eye. Make sure you're very detailed and very symmetric on how you create this circle, because this circle is what's gonna bring the logo to life. Me personally, I like to start with very thin lines. Just in case I commit any type of mistakes, I can just open up and make them thicker, correcting any errors. And I know we all commit those every once in a while. Let's get it. With a number 1 guard, I'm going to start cleaning the outside of the oval to make way for the arches that goes inside of the logo. In this case, I'm going to color them with color pencils, showing you my technique on how to make sure this color stays in for a birthday party or any occasion that any kid will want a color design stamped in their head. With a 0 guard, I'm bringing down the hair so it will facilitate my way in with the colors. Spraying a little bit of hair sheen or hair oil will make it a lot more easier for the color to slide in the design. To make these kind of designs, you don't have to be a pro, you just gotta be persistent and patient. And with time, you'll get what you want. Now that we're done with the orange arches, we're gonna fill in the inside of the logo with the black color pencils. This is gonna be as easy as painting and coloring a coloring book. So make sure you do it right, and in a few minutes you'll have a masterpiece. Let's go. With a makeup sponge, I'm gonna spread out all the color and make sure it's blended well inside. With a white pencil, I'm gonna cover the whole eye inside and give it that white pop. With the 0 blade, I'm gonna start cleaning around the design, creating the guideline for where I want to create the blend that's gonna make the design pop out. With a number 1 guard placed on your clippers, you're gonna start fading from the bottom to the top using the wave motion that's up and out. Use the corner of the clippers to blend in the places that the whole clipper can't fit, so make sure to use the technique when needed. Red color to resemble the Incredibles' red uniform. Line up in the back for clean, sharp purposes only. Major Killer Elegance Hairspray, extra strong, long lasting, durable hold. Yeah, let's seal the deal. Let's put some spray on the logo so it can last long, very long. Using the Elegance Wester hair fibers to cover and fill any spots that need to be filled, making the line outs pop, 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 pop. Before I get to apply the razor, I'm gonna be using the one and only, the best shave gel worldwide, the Elegance Shave Gel. With this clear formula, I'm gonna be able to see what I'm doing, facilitating the shave strokes, refreshing the skin and the air, giving the fresh aroma that you wanted. Here you go, Mike, the Incredibles logo that you wanted. Happy birthday. And now, let's go to the other side and get faded. Comb down, comb down. Repeating the same steps that we did on the other side, we start combing down so every hair can fall into place. Followed up with a number 2 guard, making sure the whole side is even. With a zero guard, we're gonna start creating a guideline that is gonna take us step by step till completing a full fade on this side. Number 1 guard in place. Make sure you made another guideline so you can visually have an idea on where and what are the steps to complete this fade. Opening up the number 1 guard is gonna give you the ability to blend using the wave motion to blend the number 1 guard to the 2. To make sure the blending is perfect, I'm gonna use the 1.5 guard. That is gonna give me the ability to create a softer blend from the 1 to the 2, facilitating a smoother transition. 0 guard opened up gives me the blend from bald to a 1. The half guard gives me the details that I need to blend from the 0 to the 1. With the detailers, I'm gonna make sure I give out the details. So front line up, let's get sharp. And a little bit of more shave gel to make sure I shave the whole forehead or what is left of it. Look at how smooth it just shaves. Oh my god. Attention to detail. That's a major key. Now I'm gonna apply the Elegance Hair Serum, which is gonna protect and give a natural shine. Let's get rid of those frizzles. It's time for a triple action hair gel. It provides a super strong hold, long lasting shine. It delivers a great volume, excellent quality, and flake free. Yeah, let's lock in this hairstyle with some Elegance hairspray, long lasting hold. Mike Drizzy, happy birthday! You ready, boy? Thank you everybody for staying tuned and watching this whole video. I hope you've learned. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that notification button so you can get notified every time I upload a video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can go down below and click on Instagram, Arod23pr. If you don't have Elegance product, click on the link below and get your products today. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Arod the Barber. Till next time, hey Millie, yeah, The Incredibles.